Hello students, good afternoon all of you. Today we are going to solve mathematics workbook part 2, and today we are going to solve the workbook or for the chapter number 8, division. Okay, let us learn the first concept 8.1, that is division as equal grouping. So let us first just solve the recall section and solve the page number 15 over here. Let us learn the recall section, multiple choice questions. So we have here first example, 16 flowers are distributed equally among 4 groups. So each group gets how much flowers? So here we have to find out. So just you have to read a table like that. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. So if we अगर हम ग्रुप बनाते 4 के तो 4 ग्रुप ऐसे बनेंगे. Yes students, so here our correct answer is the option A, that is the 4. So each group gets a 4 flowers. So here we have to write the A. Okay students, now let us learn the second example. 8 pens are distributed equally between 2 people. So each person get, now लोग कितने हैं 2 है और पेन्स कितने हैं 8 हैं. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर हमें करनी होगी डिवीजन, दैट इज द 2 का टेबल बोलना है 8 आने तक. ओके, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are, yes, 2 4s are 8. So yes, we get here answer. So each person get 4 pens. So here our correct option is the option B. So here we have to write down the B. Now example 3, the share of each student when 25 books are distributed equally among 5 students is dash books. So share of how many 25 books we have to share. So among the 5 students, so we have to divide 25 divided by 5. Okay, so you have to count the 5 table. 5 ones are 1, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are, yes, 5 fives are 25. So here 5 books are the answer. So C is the correct option. We have to write down here C. Okay students, and 25 fives are 5 fives are 25, so 5 fives are 25, so our answer is the 5. Now let us learn and understand the multiple choice questions. Fourth one example, fourth one, the number that is divided is called, so जिस नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं उस नंबर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिविडेंड. क्या बोलते हैं? डिविडेंड बोलते हैं. सो आवर आंसर इज द डिविडेंड. You can write here dividend, and here option D. In division the number that divides, जिस नंबर से हम क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड्स करते हैं, डिवाइड्स इज कॉल्ड, तो उस नंबर को हम कहते हैं डिवाइजर. देन इन डिविजन द नंबर दैट डिवाइड्स इज कॉल्ड, ओके, सो जो नंबर डिवाइड करता है उस नंबर को हम बोलते हैं यहाँ पर डिवाइजर. सो हियर यू कैन राइट डाउन डिवाइजर. सो डी. नाउ द 6th वन एग्जाम्पल, द नंबर दैट रिमेन्स इज कॉल्ड द रिमाइंडर. जो नंबर बाकी रहता है डिवीजन होने के बाद उसको हम कहते हैं रिमाइंडर. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन रिमाइंडर हियर, एंड आवर ऑप्शन ए इज द correct option. So here we completed our page number 15. Now let us turn the page and understand the examples from the page number 16. Here we have the first example from the fill in the blanks, representing the dividend, divisor and quotient using symbol division and equal is called a division fact. So इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? A division fact. We can say it is a division fact. So division, division fact. We get 2 division facts from from multiplication fact. We get two division facts from a multiplication fact. So here we have to write down the multiplication and division are reverse operation. Multiplication and division. So here we can write down the division. Okay students, so multiplication and division are reverse operation. Okay, so now here write the dividend and quotient from the given division fact. तो यहाँ पर डिविडेंड कौन सा है और क्वोशंट कौन सा है ये हमें यहाँ पर लिखना है. सो डिविडेंड है यहाँ पर हमारा नंबर 24 एंड क्वोशंट है यहाँ पर नंबर हमारा 4. सो वी कैन राइट डाउन हियर. सो डिविडेंड is equal to 24 and quotient is equal to 4. Write the multiplicand and product from the given division fact. तो इसमें मल्टीप्लिकेंट और प्रोडक्ट हमें लिखना है जो डिवीजन फैक्ट है यहाँ पर हमें क्या करी की है दी गई है. नाउ लेट अस चेक आउट द एग्जांपल. तो यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेंट और प्रोडक्ट हमें लिखना है. ठीक है. सो वेन एवर वी डू द लाइक दैट 6 8s आर, तो 6 8s आर 48. ठीक है. सो हियर वी कैन से दैट multiplicand is the 6 and multiplier is the 8 and the product is the 48. ओके. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेंट कौन सा हो गया यहाँ पर multiplicand is equal to 6 and product यहाँ पर हमें प्रोडक्ट लिखना है इसलिए प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू 48. Okay students, so now let us solve the example number 12. Write the division facts for the multiplication fact. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. So we can write division fact like that, that is the 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7, or you may write 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So that two division fact you can write down with the help of that multiplication fact. Now here we have the example. Show the multiplication fact for 5 2s are 10. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10 on the number line. So let us here to we have to do that. So यहाँ पर कैसे करना है, यहाँ पर हमें देखो 5 क्या है यहाँ पर फर्स्ट नंबर है और 2 यहाँ पर है सेकेंड नंबर है. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है 10 तक यहाँ पर नंबर 5 टाइम्स हमें क्या करने हैं मूव करने हैं. नाउ हियर देखो 2 5s are 10. सो 0 to फर्स्ट 2 पर से 1 हो गया. 2 to then 4 2 4 to then 6 then 6 to 8 and then 8 to 10. So here we get the groups like that. That is the one group, that is a group of 2, then again second group of 2, then again third group of 2, and again fourth group of 2, and again fifth group of 2. Okay students, so we can write down like that 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 2s are 10. So we can show here 5 times 2 on the number line. Okay students, so like that you can represent a multiplication fact on a number line. So now this example you have to solve also example 41 like that. Show the multiplication fact 3 into 5 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 on the number line. So that example is for your homework part. Okay students, you can easily solve that example. Now let us learn the long answer question. So the reverse operation of multiplication and division using a number line, use 2 multiplied by 5 that is equal to 10 as the multiplication fact. So आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट दिखानी है कि 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So let us move on the page number 17 and we will solve here and show the multiplication and division operation. Okay, so here we can say on the first number line we will show a multiplication fact, and on the second number line we will show the division fact. Okay, so here we have to show that reverse operation of multiplication and division using a number line, और हमें यहाँ पर इस्तेमाल करना है 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 as the multiplication fact. ठीक है, तो 2 5 है तो यहाँ पर हमें करना है 2, तो 5 टाइम्स को 2 को ले 5 को लेना है 2 टाइम्स को, तो यहाँ पर 0 to 5 ये हम जाएंगे 1 टाइम एंड 5 to 10 ये जाएंगे हम सेकेंड टाइम. दैट मीन्स आप आगे जा रहे हो यहाँ पर. सो वी कैन से दैट ग्रुप ऑफ 5 दैट इज़ अ 1 टाइम and again group of 5 for the second time. So that is the 1 and that is the 2. So it is your multiplication fact, that is 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. Okay students, so now here we can also represent it as a division fact, that is the 10 divided by, if we take the 10 divided by, let me take here 10 divided by 5, so that is equal to 2. So how can we represent it as like that, 10 to 5. So let us come to the reverse order. So 10 to 5 and then again 5 to 0. So again we can say that it is also 1 and 2. So we can say here it is the 5 and again it's the 5. So we can show here that 10 divided by 5, that is the 5 2s are 10. So also we here represent or show that the reverse operation by the division fact and the forward operation by the multiplication fact. Okay students, so now let us solve the example number 16 over here. Okay, write 2 division facts for each of the given multiplication fact. तो यहाँ पर जो multiplication fact दिए उसके लिए हमें क्या करनी है, 2 division facts लिखनी है. Let us solve the first. The A1 क्या दिया है, 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. So we can write down like that, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8, or you may write down that 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Similarly for the B1 example, we have 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So you may write down that 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 and 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Similarly you may write like that, 3 multiplied by 4 that is equal to 12. So you can write down that 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, or you may write down that 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Then again in the D1 example, that is the last example, in this example we have the 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40. So we can write down here 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8 and 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Okay, in this way you can write down the two division facts for each given multiplication fact. So like that you can write down the multiplication fact for given division fact. Also you can write down the multiplication fact from the given division fact, and you may write the division fact from the given multiplication fact. Now let us learn and solve the application level example. So we have here a short answer question. 14 books are arranged equally on a shelf. How many books are there on the each shelf? Okay students, so now number of books are, so you can write number of books is equal to 14. Then number of shelves that is equal to 2. So number of books on each shelf that is equal to 14 divided by 2. So we can write our 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, and 2 7s are, so 2 7s are 14. That is a 2 into 7 equal to 14. So 7 is our quotient. 7 is our what? Quotient, and your answer is the number 7. Okay students, so like that we can say that, so there are 7 books on each shelf. Okay students, now let us turn the page, that is the page number 18 here. So we do have here one example, that is the 20 children are seated on a few benches. There are equal number of children on each bench. If there are 5 benches, how many children are seated on each bench? So here number of children is equal to 20, and number of benches, so number of benches equal to 5. So here we can write down, so number of children on each bench is equal to 20 divided by 5. Okay, so whenever we do that division, 5 का टेबल बोलना है हमें, 5 4s are 20. What is our answer? So 5 4s are 20, so we can write down here answer is the 4. So we can say that 4 children are seated on each bench. So on each bench यहाँ पर कितने स्टूडेंट बैठेंगे? यहाँ पर 4 students. Okay, so that is our answer, that is the 4 students. Okay students, so now we have some long answer questions. Now let us solve the long answer questions. Example number 19 here. Navneet buys 16 packs of seeds from a nursery. Each pack has 4 seeds. देखो छोटे छोटे पैकेट्स होते हैं नर्सरी के, उसने खरीदे हैं, तो हर एक पैक में 4 सीड्स है. ही प्लांट्स 2 सीड्स इन ईच पॉट. तो उसने क्या किया है, 2 ही सीड्स लगाए हैं हर एक पॉट में. हाउ मेनी पॉट्स डज नवनीत नीड? तो एक्चुअली नवनीत को फिर कितने पॉट्स लगेंगे अगर उसको 2 सीड्स ही हर एक इसमें लगाने. लेकिन फर्स्ट हमें ढूंढना होगा कि उसने 16 पैक्स लिए हैं, तो उसके पास कुल मिलाकर सीड्स कितने आए हैं. सो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वी नीड टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड देन वी नीड टू डू द डिवीजन. ओके, सो नवनीत buys pack that is equal to 16. So number of seeds in each pack, that is equal to 4. So total number of seeds are, that is equal to 16 multiplied by 4. So we need to do the multiplication here. So let us do the multiplication. 4 6 are 24, 4 here, and 2 goes to the carry forward. Then 4 2s are, 4 1s are 1, and plus 2, that is the 6. So that is the 64. So we get the total number of seeds are 64. Then we know that he plants 2 seeds in each pot. Okay, so he plants 2 seeds in each plot. Okay, so number of pots, he needed, that is equal to 64 divided by 2. So let us do the division over here. 64 divided by 2. सो पहला नंबर है 6 तो 2 से बड़ा नंबर है. सो हमें चेक करना है नंबर 2 के टेबल में. 2 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. सो हियर 6 में से 6 गए रह गए 0. ऊपर से नंबर लिए 4 डाउन. देन 2 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, that is the 0. So our answer is the 32. आंसर क्या आ गया हमारा यहाँ पर 32 आ गया. सो वी कैन से दैट 32 pots Navneet need. 32 pots Navneet need. ओके, नवनीत को कितने पॉट्स लगे यहाँ पर 32. इन द सेम वे यू डू हैव द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 20 ओवर ईयर. सो दैट एग्जाम्पल यू कुड सॉल्व ईजिली एट होम. सेम दिया है, देखो यहाँ पर वेन्यू बाइज 2 बॉक्सेस ऑफ पेंसिल, ईच बॉक्स हैज 12 पेंसिल इन इट. तो आपको पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा 2 और 12 को. सो 12 2s are 24. तो 24 आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पर आंसर. ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द पेंसिल इक्वली अमंग 6 चिल्ड्रन. तो 6 24 को देन यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय द 6, देन यू गेट द आंसर. तो इसका जवाब आपको आएगा यहाँ पर नंबर 4. हाउ मेनी पेंसिल डज ईच चाइल्ड गेट. तो ईच चाइल्ड को यहाँ पर 4 पेंसिल मिल सकती है, बिकॉज 6 4s are 24. तो यहाँ पर 4 इसका जवाब आएगा. लेकिन आपको सेम ये एग्जाम्पल ऊपर के एग्जाम्पल की तरह ही यहाँ पर करना है, लिखना है और सॉल्व करना है. Now let us solve some higher order skill examples over here on the page number 19. Beena spent 21 hours a week practicing music and 20 hours a week studying. How much time does she spend in a day for these activities? So here we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days and consider all the 7 days. तो हर दिन वो प्रैक्टिस करती है, तो हमें कंसिडर करने हैं ऑल 7 डेज. नाउ 21 आवर्स ऑफ अ वीक में वो क्या करती है, प्रैक्टिस करती है. सो फर्स्ट फॉर म्यूजिक टाइम शी स्पेंड, that is equal to 21 hours. So time for music each day के लिए उसका टाइम होगा 21 डिवाइड बाय हमारे डेज होते हैं 7. ओके, सो अगर हम इसको डिवाइड करते हैं तो 7 1s are 1, 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. So our answer is here the number 3. आंसर क्या गया यहाँ पर हमारा 3. So 3 days 3 hours per day. वो कह सकते हैं हम उसको, वो हर दिन उसके लिए कितना टाइम करती है फ्रेंड्स? 3 hours. Similarly for studying time she spent, that is equal to 28 hours. Okay, so time for study each day, that is equal to 28 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28, that is the 4 hours. Okay student, so now let us solve the